It was Sean's turn to tackle this wicked little obstacle on the Maze Trail in Sand Hollow. Being a two-door on 35s and a manual, Sean would have his work cut out for him. This obstacle poses a few challenges. One, you need a bit of momentum just to get up to the ledge, and two, crawling over the ledge really isn't an option. You either drive through it in one shot, or you pull back a few feet and give it hell. A third option is to opt out and take the sketchy bypass, which is so off-camber, I've never actually seen anybody take it. Nice climb, Sean.
Passenger or like passenger? Straighten out a little. Yep.
I was surprised Sean was able to crawl this, but with his wheelbase and smooth clutch operation, he made it look easy.
You're actually not in a bad spot. And to be honest, it's hard to hit it straight. It's gonna want to come up this side first.
You get this crawl of the week for sure. Just a little bit sooner and you got it.
You're a little driver. That's it.
Okay, time to give it hell.
All the way.
Nice job, brother. I bet he shook a little bit.
Wow, great save. Slamming on the brakes in this situation could have left Sean on his lid, but due to quick thinking on his part and Russell watching his back, we're all good. After giving it a valiant effort, it was time to pull some cable and get over this obstacle. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you next week. Dave out.